I'ma ask y'all to help me welcome to center stage the one and only Joshua. Joshua, where you at? Stop it. More monitor. More monitor for my thing, Papa. So that's say I govern the earth. Kick it off. Big up all the empress, you know what I mean? All the kingdom. What a one. And go. Chop. Watch me the Portmore TV. Chop. Tell me your body gun, them are my life, who no prefer. I who no love is to take off on the stretcher. I know that things can be better. Tell me your body gun, them are my life, who no prefer. I who no love is to take off on the stretcher. I know that things can mix me. You are the truth. What about the looting and the shoot? Every day someone gets executed, yeah. So what about the woman and the youth? Killing of the father who not remember the root. And when me talk to no ready for dispute, I just gotta run, I feel blood run. It a fall and shine from in the western region. The cities and they no overstand. You know see a total confusion. Tell me if I gun them are alive who no prefer. I who no love is to take off on the stretcher. I know that things can be better. Stop it there. So may I say, watch you now, people. I've been performing overseas a lot, you know what I mean? So I just Jamaica now, you know what I mean? If you get a hold of Joshua right now, so may I say, Portmore TV in the house, some more strength and more life. Happy moment. Happy moment for people, and I just kick it off and just move, you know what I mean? Big up Frank Payne Earth Strong, you know what I mean? Johnny P. More strength and more life, you see. All if your girlfriend left you one gone, and the bills them pile up tall, your back will never be against the wall. So what you know, surround your life with happiness, put away the burden and stress. Pull up that! All my people, stop it. Watch you know, no matter where you go to my people, just keep your burden and problem, and I mean happy moment. From top again. All of your girlfriend left you one gone, and the bills them pile up tall. Your back will never be against the wall. So what you know, surround your life with happiness, put away the burden and stress. My people, surround your life with happiness. Remember the most I ever bless. What you know, surround your life with happiness, put away all of your stress. Surround your life with happiness, put a one job. Happy, don't stay lonely. Laugh like the people, them when they are karaoke. I see a fancy cat, them so jokey. Take it me slow, when she tell a story. Praise the most I feel every day glory. Happy people, me want for the round. Happy people, me want for surround. Can't let them feel them getting up on a phone. What you know, surround your life with. Put away the burden and stress for people. Surround your life with happiness. Put a one drop. Tomorrow never come, me never promise to no one. Some of your party no wanna keep me function. When I put me around a junction, funny me no round the party vibes can done. Fire riot bring the liquor them come. Me a drink good beverage, them a drink rum. Enough man jump till them all tumble down. Don't stop the joy. What you know, surround your life with. Put away the burden and stress for people. Surround your life with happiness. Remember the most I ever bless. What you know. One jump again. I'm living my life, my people, what you doing? From your heart clean, bad vibes can't ruin. Whenever time is ready, you're the people and say, oh, I'm so poor and happy. Where's me screamers of high grade test? Jamaican women, them always look blessed. Party and like them nothing but stress. All over the so you tell the black woman them now, don't sell your vagina. Fight back. So I say I go on the earth. More strength and more life. So I say I go on the earth. Ah! Stop it from there. Now watch her now. The one who knows that Johnny P sing the biggest bike back tune, you know what I mean? I mean, I have to give him credit for that. So watch her now, new version. A Joshua thing from top again. So that's the go on the earth. Listen to me. Right now. She love me right. She love me right from me body. When me dilly and me dolly and me wheelie. So what them things that she like. She love me right from me body. When me dilly and me dolly and me wheelie. So what them things that she like. And she a smile and I tell me, because she can't get the car too much traffic. When she a come, she no want nothing stop it. She said the bike cut out that traffic. Even on the white line, we can't clock it. When think the club start the third gear, and the breeze take off and fast here. She said last year we got me down here. This bike coffee. She love me right from me body. When me dilly and dolly. Whether it's summer or reprise, cause she love the rider, you know, easy. And the harder me come me fish, she squeeze me. Hold me down like she don't want release me. She not take off in no 50. She will more climb up on the 90. And the RR bike, she like it. When the muffler burn it, ignite it. She love the rider. When me dilly and me dolly. She love me right. One drop. Whether it's summer or breezy, cause she love the rider, you know, easy. And the harder me go me fish, she squeeze me. Hold me tight like she don't want release me. She not take up in a 50. She will more climb up on the 90. And the RR bike, she like it. When the buffalo girl, she love it. Again. I've been working like a foreign. I need Jamaica strength now. Acapella. Because you know, as Rastafari, I fight to get, you know what I mean, talking to a princess. Parents don't like it because you have locks in your face, don't shave off, you know what I mean? So listen what I go on. Me have to speech, you know, and check me girl. Because her mother and her father don't want me in her world. First, me now visit the barber is the main thing. That thing a tip on me head and pick it on me chin. Him said don't bring him inside the water thing. And resting on the money and him now bling. Every day I Rastafari and him a sing. And come and tell about married and ring, but she love me. Pull up the window for me baby. Cause I be coming when mama she sleeping. Don't mind the dogs round the back. Cause they be quiet when the sardine drop. Oh, hey, pull up the window for me. Jungle fire! Aya!
Blazing hot Joshua. I want to big up the man Frank who make it possible, Frank, anyway you have to respect to the sky. Alright people.